Well, we thought winter was over, but I guess not. So let's warm up with this coconut lentil soup. Hey all, this is Jess. So I'm using red lentils. Most people are familiar with green or brown lentils, but this cooks much faster. So we wash it and drain it. It takes about 3 times to make sure it's pretty clean. We're adding a teaspoon of salt, and I'm adding a couple of teaspoons of this bouillon paste. It's much better, tastier, and healthier than those squares. So we're bringing this all to a boil with 6 cups of water. When it comes to a boil, I turn down the heat, and then I cover it. I let that cook for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to saute my aromatics. First, I've got a cup of chopped onions. I want to caramelize this, so I'm cooking it low and slow with half a teaspoon of salt. Then I'm going to chop up some garlic. You could also use a garlic press. We add that to the onions, as well as some fresh ginger. You can also use ginger paste, and in a pinch, you could use ground ginger. So we saute all of that together, along with this spice called garam masala. We just need 1 teaspoon of that. The word masala actually means blend, so it's a spice blend. I made this myself, but you could definitely buy it at the Indian grocery store. Now, after sauteing for just a couple of minutes, I'm adding this light coconut milk. Then we've stirred that together and pour that straight into those lentils that have been cooked. You can see how much is broken down. It's just got a little bit of texture. I'm going to cook that for another 15 minutes. Meanwhile, to garnish, I just chopped up some tomatoes, sprinkled some salt on it so I could put that on the top. Now, you can actually serve this over rice. That would be delicious. Or you can have some nice crusty bread, some naan, maybe some hummus to go with it. Make sure you add some chopped cilantro or chopped parsley. I hope you try this recipe. I'd love to see it if you do make it. You can find me on Instagram at Jess Soul Food.